About to get a lash lift right now. Just waiting until my friend said that she is ready for us. So I'm just gonna get a lash lift, just my lashes, no extensions or anything. So I will show you guys the process. Eye pads is applied to the bottom and then putting adhesive on a silicone shield just to shield my eyes from the chemicals. Then she applies eyelash glue on top just so she can prep my eyelashes for perming. Then she applies the first lifting solution, which will take 7 to 8 minutes. She also applies a overtop shield just to make the process faster and more, I guess, heated. After that's done, she scrapes it off with a warm Q-tip, and then she applies the repair solution right after, which is another 7 to 8 minutes. After, she takes a warm Q-tip again just to release all the chemicals that were on my eyelashes. And then she just applies a light cleanse of keratin conditioner, which is supposed to hydrate the natural lashes. We are also supposed to put coconut oil by ourselves with a spoolie the night after. And it takes 24 to 48 hours to finally set in, so no water, and just to rehydrate the natural oils in your lashes. And I would say this process took over maybe 45 minutes to an hour. This was very quick, and I actually really love my lashes. It's more of a natural feel, and I will show a before and after photo. So this is the before and this is the after. Hope you guys liked my journey.